my brows microbladed. Nah, I just used the microblading pen. Make sure you guys check out the video. I'm going to be posting a video of me microblading my eyebrows, and make sure you guys check it out. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a brow microblading brow tint pen video. Studio brow. So I'm gonna show you guys this tool here. It's like the microblading. It's like getting your eyebrows microbladed. Instead of getting something that's going to be cutting through your skin, there's a pen. So I know a lot of people are doing a microblading right now, and it's a big thing, honestly. But I'm not about that life, okay? I don't know if I'm ready to put needles all on my face. I don't even have tattoos, so you can understand that that's probably something that I would never do. But they don't have a pen version, so I did want to try it out. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try this out, and let's see how good this is. Okay, so I got this from Maybelline. It was under $10. I think it was like $7.99 or $8.99, something like that. And I seen it and I wanted to go ahead and try. So I went down to Target and I just picked this up, and I said, let's go ahead and give this a try. They have a couple colors that you can choose from. I didn't try to get the darkest, but I didn't try to get the lightest, so I kind of got almost the darkest one, because my eyes are like black, dark brown. So let's see if this works, and if it doesn't, well, probably not gonna try it again. So the one that I got is the 365 Deep Brown Tattoo Studio Brow Pencil Brow Tint Pen. So it said that this is a 24-hour, does not transfer, and does not smudge pen. So let's see, because these results on here are actually really cute. There's not really a lot of instructions. It just says to use angle micro comb tip across brows and draw hair-like streaks from anchor to tail, and repeat as desired. So you're just supposed to kind of go along with your hairs here, and I obviously don't have a lot of hairs as you guys can see, but we're gonna see if this actually makes a difference here. So let's see. So a lot of people actually use this with like concealer. Well, they put the concealer and then use this, but you know what, I'm just gonna go for the usual way that I did my brows, and that's just fill in and then conceal after. So it would be smart to do concealer because I can already draw the angle that I want out, but I pretty much kind of know the angle that I want for my brows. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is from Maybelline. I don't know if I said that, but yeah. So let's go ahead and open this thing. So it is really tiny. Let's do that. Alright. Woo! Okay, so it has like little tiny strokes. I kind of got it on my hand a little bit. The strokes are really tiny. Oh, and you can go really light. Okay, I'm kind of excited. Let's see. Let's see how this is. Okay. So I have my little mirror here. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if this actually matches first. So these three little combs here, I think it's like that. Yeah, I think you go. I don't know if you go like this or like this.
And it perfectly matches my brows. Okay. So I'm just going with my hairs here. This is actually really cool, guys. Okay. I'm probably not doing this to the slightest bit of right, but it's going, so. Okay, I'm just doing this how I do like my brow pencil, and I just like draw it in, so let's try to do some at the top. this is actually really neat. Like, what? But this is definitely a little dark for me.
Honestly, this is really cool. Like, it's a great way to do your brows. I would definitely use this. Like, what the like, dude, my brows look good as heck right now. I think I'm literally about to just throw away my brow pencils and my dip brows and just say forget it, because this is honestly, look, I don't need concealer, guys. Like, I don't even need concealer. Like, what the heck? And these are really tiny. Actually, I never really do my brows this small, but this is dope. This is really dope. Alright, let's try to tackle this other brow. This is dope. I don't even need concealer, dude. What the heck? Maybelline. Maybelline. I'm probably not even doing it right, but you got my heart, boo. You got my heart. Let's try to do this ugly ass. I don't like this brow. Honestly, this is my favorite brow. This one be having causing me trouble. The arch ain't even right. Like, I don't even have an angle. Like, whatever. We're gonna see. So let's go ahead and get some strokes over here. I like it already. I love it already. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, my brows look professional right now. Hope you guys can see. But my brows literally look professional right now. Okay. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing at all, because you ain't got nothing to say to me, darling. Darling, no. I do have to like do this to like get more, yeah, I know what I mean. More out of there. So, let's do this. Uh-oh. Now, I do need an arch, so let's get an arch. Ew, not that one. I like this because it goes with like each hair, and like it feels good to like just brush it through, and the fact that it just coats the hair and it blends in, it's just really amazing. And you can't really do that with regular brushes or when you do dip brows or anything like that. So that's crazy, but I would definitely use this again. And this, I think this would be amazing for like if you don't want to do your whole brows, you don't want to do the whole mascara, the whole conceal and blend it in and things like that. You can just brush this on like a little bit and go about your day, because you really don't need to fill it in a lot, but I do just because that's how I like my brows. But you really don't. Like, I will literally just use this a couple seconds and then go like about my day. This is really cool, and I like how you can just brush the front here. That's amazing. Like, that's amazing. I love this. I love this. I really do. I really do. See, at this point, I don't even need concealer. Like, I already just like my brows like this. And they look freaking amazing. And I don't even need a spoolie to brush it because I am going to use it. But, like, you don't need it because that's pretty much a brush and that tames your brows. But, like, look. Oh, my gosh, guys. And concealer would just make this look even more poppin'. But at this point, you don't even need it, girl. I could definitely probably use a lighter one next time. But I love it. Like, this is amazing. Like, look at that, dude. This is what I'm talking about, brands. Like, y'all. Y'all did that, okay? I will give y'all your props. Y'all did that. Oh, I'm not looking at the mirror. Sorry, y'all. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. This is it. Chief, this is it. Like, I don't even want to do my brows the other way anymore. This is so cute. I'm gonna give you guys this is my favorite one. It looks really nice. And this is the other one. It's okay, but my favorite one is this one right here. Y'all, I look put together now. But, like, as you guys can see, I really love this product and I would definitely use it. I would definitely use it about 1,000 times more because this is really amazing. Like, and it's under $10, and imagine how many times I can do my brows with this and how easy it would be just to do that real quick and precise. So this is definitely something that was very smart and I like it, so I will be using it again. So I will leave it in the description box so you guys can check it out. So I did get it at Target, and yeah, I love this. Like, if my brows stay like this, I'm gonna let y'all know because this is really awesome. See, let me stop because I will literally talk all day about this because this is really cool. So let me not keep talking about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it or you want to check it out, I will leave it in the description box and let me know what you think. Make sure you get a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And just like always, if you have suggestions for other videos, make sure you comment them down below and follow me on my social medias, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Oh, and Facebook at CreativeCala. Well, Snapchat is actually Michaela though, but they're all CreativeCala. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that's it. I love it. I love it. Bye guys. Oh, I liked it. That is so cute. Like, I got my makeup done. Somebody need to take me on water. Take me on water because these ridiculous, you know.